Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Global UK Academy. This afternoon, I want to make 4 drawings to change of variables as it relates to integration. So I want to further give more example to what I earlier on taught. Okay. So today we'll be considering we will have question that has to do with exponents. So how do you handle them? Okay. Now you have something of this nature. Integral x squared exponent x cubed, then the x. Once you see this kind of equation, they're indirectly telling you to integrate this function. Okay, and it's very much simple. First thing first is what? Solution. Now, for you to make life easier for yourself, you pay attention to the power on that exponent you are having. What is the power? S cubed. So now I'm gonna refer something, or I'm gonna refer this S cubed to something which I call a letter. I can substitute it for a letter of my choice by saying let u be equal to this S cubed. So by virtue of this, it then follows that I'm gonna differentiate this u with respect to x, giving me the u, that is the u, the x, okay? Is equals to, now differentiating this gives me x 3x squared. Of course, you should have known how to differentiate by now. To differentiate this, you first bring down your power, which is 3. Use it to multiply what you had initially, which is x raised to power 3. The final thing you do is to subtract 1 from the power. So at the end of the day, having 3x squared. So that's just what I did here. Now, once you have successfully done this, you go back to the equation. Integral x squared exponent x cubed. Don't forget, we've already said let x cubed. Sorry, before I go on to that, let me find the x. Let me look for what the x simply stands for. So by virtue of that, I'm going to make the x the subject of formula. This is the x. I'm going to make it the subject of formula. Mind you, this is fraction, this is a whole, so I'll make it look like a fraction. So I'm going to cross multiply, okay? Du times 1 gives me du is equals to the x times this gives me 3x squared dx. What am I looking for? Dx. So I'm going to divide everything by the 3x squared. Both sides of the equation by 3x squared. So this 3x squared cancels this, and I'm left with what? The x. So meaning that the x, this dx is equals to what? Du over 3x squared. Now that I've gotten this, I can now go back to the equation, which is integral x squared exponent s cubed. Don't forget our s cubed is already u. Then dx, what is my dx? Dx is what? Du over 3x squared. So times du over 3x squared. Okay? Mind you, x squared is up, x squared is down, so x squared will cancel x squared. So I'm now left with what? Integral exponent u du over 3. Okay? This du over 3 means 1 over 3 times du, which will give you what? Du over 3. So I'm going to bring out this 1 over 3 outside here. So I'm going to have 1 over 3 integral exponent u du. Because this 1 over 3 I've brought it up and now left it for du. Now this du means that you should integrate what you have here. Okay? So I'm going to have 1 over 3 integrating exponent. If you integrate exponent u, you still have your exponent u. Mind you, when you integrate, don't forget to add the coefficient of integration. The constant of integration, which is c. Some people use letter k. The common one is letter c. Okay? So that is that. So at the end of it, I'm going to have 1 over 3 exponent u plus, u. Don't forget, my u is already x cubed. So instead of writing exponent x cubed, you want to c. This is the final answer. So I want to believe this explanation is explanatory enough. So whenever you see questions in this regard, this is the best approach to it. What I want you to do now is to go through the teaching or the lecture you have there, then give me your comments, your view or your overall view as pertaining to the teaching If there's anything that is confusing you, you need more clarity, you can write it at the comment section, and then when I visit, I will see your question or your comments, and then I will attend to it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the only way you can support this channel and will support me is to share the link of my channel with other students out there. Thank you.